Daniel, and I'm going to take you through disassembly and assembly of our CPU case. So we can start straight away by opening the casing. So first and foremost, we can start by disconnecting the cables. Start by disconnecting the SATA cables, the data cables from our hard drive. And then we disconnect them from the motherboard. We put them down there. And then we can also disconnect the power cable to the hard disk 1 and 2. Then remove the hard disk and put them aside. So put all this there. So the next is unplug our power cables from the motherboard. And then our data cable to the CD drive. And then unplug our cables to our USB access ports. Then we also remove our speaker from the motherboard. Put them aside. And then we remove our power supply here. And we're going to unscrew the screws. Put them aside. Then we're going to remove our power supply by depressing this lock down, and then we push. This is our power supply. Then next we can disconnect our fan in the casing. Then we are going to remove our fan, the CPU fan and the heatsink, the unscrewing. So this is our fan and the heatsink. Then we can remove our RAM from the RAM slot. This one. Also put it down there. Then next is we remove our CPU by removing this lock, depressing it. Then you leave it there. Then you open its case. Then we move our. So this is our CPU. Put it there. Then you can put back the person. So next we are going to remove our motherboard. We are going to unscrew its screws. So we are going to carefully remove our CPU, our motherboard. This is our motherboard. So next we are going to remove this. Yes, and this is our disassembled system. So we are going to start our process of assembly. And we are going to begin with the motherboard by carefully installing it to its processor. Then put it down. So next is we are going to put our CPU into this slot. Then aim it at slot. And then locking it. Next is to put our fan and the heat sink. And next is put our ram to its slot. And then the fan. The next to put our disc into its slots. Then the second one. Going to put back our next we're going to put our power supply. Then screw in it. We put our supply, the motherboard, then next our supply to our hard drives, 1 and 2. Yes. Then we put back our USB cables. The next we're going to put back